Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the number of followers on Instagram naturally, organically. Very simple, very easy guys. All you gotta do is to follow the steps. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Let's say whatever niche you wanna get into or you're already into, you wanna make sure that you follow the right people, okay? You don't wanna follow the average or mediocre, right? So for example, if you're into windsurfing over here, right, you want to make sure that you're following the accounts that are generating the most of the interactions. For example, let's say I'm going to be following this account over here, Surf Magazine, right? You come over here, you look at the interactions, you look at the reels, they're getting 2.6 million, hundreds of thousands of views on the reels. So probably they're doing something right, right? So once when you follow somebody who is already doing very well on your niche, all you gotta do is to not copying them, but start interacting with their content. What I'm even saying over here, guys. Well, let's scroll to the pictures that are pinned. They're pinned because there is something about it, right? Probably they're selling a product or they're having something that is doing extremely well. If you can see over here, obviously this is a product. There is something like a poster that is ready for sale. Over here there is a magazine, okay? So the pin posts in this particular case are not relevant simply because there is a product attached to it. But you want to see what else actually works pretty well. If you can look, the only picture that they publish over here is this one. Everything else is only reels. So do you see where the first pro tip is coming to play? So obviously in this particular niche, in this particular industry, the videos are performing much better than images. So we already are one step ahead of the competition. We know exactly what type of content we should create. Second step over here, we want to make sure that we realize how to interact with their audience. So sure, you don't want to go and click and see their followers, right? You don't want to go and bother these people. They don't know who you are. But guess what? If you go on their post, for example, and you want to click on the comments and you want to start interacting with people over here, this is the only real organic way to gain their interest to come up back to your profile, probably follow you, probably watch your videos. And this is how you build the trust, build the first representation of generating and increasing the followers organically. Why? Well, simply because you all guys are interested in the same topic, in the same business, in the same ideas. You all hyped or passionate about the same things. So the only way that you could actually show them that you also create content, that you also sell products or making videos, is to simply message under the content of other people who are already generating a lot of leads, having a lot of interactions. This is the pro tip over here, guys. Forget about follow for follow, forget about buying followers. This is the organic way to generate people, real actual people, not bots, who will be coming every single day to your profile, watching your videos and potentially buying your products or services. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.